also one thing though, I'm not gonna give my nieces the satisfaction of giving them a phone. And sorry YouTube about that. It's just I'm getting tired of them saying, "Oh, we want a phone. We want a phone." Well, one, you're not a teenager. Two, you're not old enough to have a phone. And three, you're not old enough, not responsible to have a fucking phone. And three, I'm definitely not getting into my phone at all. Which is kind of, I know it's kind of mean of me, but dude, I got some adult shit on my phone, so, and I ain't gonna have that happen to them. So, which is not my problem, not my circus, not my monkeys. Kind of fucked up that is. Not my circus, not my monkeys. But here's the thing though, YouTube. I don't believe in giving a kid a phone. They don't have yard work to do. They don't have nothing. They have like basically absolutely nothing to do in life besides play on their phone and make fun of their parents, which is kind of fucked up and stupid. Yeah, fuck that shit. I ain't gonna give them a phone or my phone at all. So I think it's more stupid and fucked up for their parents to give them a phone and be on their phone. So sorry, I'm not gonna give my nieces the satisfaction of being on my phone at all. So kind of, I know it's kind of mean of me, but it's not really mean. So I don't believe in my niece is gonna be like, oh, she's gonna be 9 soon. Well, next year she will be 9, but I am doubting them getting her a phone. One, I I don't like giving like preteens and fucking teenagers a phone. That's what they have a fucking job, which is true. If they have a job, they basically better pay the bills. Yep. Fuck. Other than that, fuck them. Not gonna give a kid a fucking phone. It's kind of stupid. They already ignore their parents or their mom, for that matter. No, they care about. Can we be on your phone? Can we be on your phone? No, you cannot. If you bring toys here, I'll play with you, but I'm not gonna be with you on my phone. So sorry. Hashtag sorry, not sorry. I'm not sorry at all. I am definitely not. I am definitely not YouTube. I am definitely not sorry. They they don't need to be on my phone. They don't need to be searching fucking for Amazon for fucking phones. So or tablets or fucking shit. So uh. Kind of fucking stupid that their parents always let them be on their phones. So yeah, like I said, no phone. iPhone is for adults. I don't have any kid games or anything like that. Magic the Gathering is for teenagers. And sure enough, my niece saw me play Magic Arena, so but heck, I'm pretty much done with this conversation, so yay. Anyways, peace.